So here's a quick video on how the tilt system works on these panels. So I got two 4x4s. Well, let me back up all the way to the beginning. So I got 3 panels, 1, 2, 3, that are attached to a super strut. Got one over there as well. And then on the super strut, we have a 2x6 bolted to the super strut. I got two, I think it's 5-inch bolts per 2x6. Now on the 2x6, we have some hinges. Okay, so this 4x4 can swing. The exact same thing right there. 2x6 and a swinging 4x4. Now real quick, this here is another 2x6 that is attached to the super strut. I got some 3/8-inch bolts that attach to the strut itself, and then hinges that allow everything to tilt. So this is for the tilting of the panels. This is for the tilting of the 4x4. And the reason I have this is to give everything support. So in the ground, we have 1 or 2 foot pieces of super strut concreted. There's one right there, one right there, and one right there. So the reason we put those at these angles was essentially this will be a wintertime tilt. That will be spring, summer, then back to fall, back to winter. So we're using that center one twice. And this tall one will be stationary. And I'll just have multiple bolts going through the 4x4 into here at different points on the 4x4. And so we essentially got our tilt where we wanted it, and then we marked the ground and put a piece of super strut in the ground. We doing, buddy? We doing, buddy? All right, that's it. I still got some wiring to do. I gotta finish this up. Hopefully to have it in the next couple weeks. Waiting on UPS or FedEx to deliver some wire, some more MC4 connectors. Then I still need my inspection done.